Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So guys, today is another haul. I have promised you that I'll be coming up with a lot more hauls. So this one is there and then I have one more planned up. So another haul coming up your way, and that's why I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload one. Alright, so coming back to Meesho, Meesho is an interesting app which is filled with clothing items, electronic items, accessory items, home decor items, and kids wear items, men's wear items. So whatever you name it, it's all under this one app. And if you want to check out this app and buy something from there, you can always use my referral code, which will be put up somewhere on the screen, hopefully here. And you can definitely shop from there and get 100 rupees off on the first purchase. Apart from that, let's not wait and let's begin with the haul. So the first item that we have is this gorgeous pleated skirt. It's a very elegant piece, very elegant and pretty looking color. There are several color options available on the Meesho app. So in case you want to choose another color from this, you can definitely do that. It's also very affordable. It was just for something around 549 or something. It'll be put up on the screen somewhere, maybe here. And yeah, that's about it. I'm extremely excited to be wearing this and going out with my friends. Next we have is this super comfy, super summery kaftan dress. This was my first time I actually bought a kaftan dress, and I can't tell y'all how amazing and how easy breezy it is. So definitely you can give it a try, and the only drawback is that the slits are open from the side, so you really have to be careful while you're sitting. Other than that, I think it's a total vacation dress. You can wear it to your resorts and your spas and it'll do the magic. Again, something extremely affordable, available in lots of colors, lots of patterns and prints. So you must check out the Meesho app for the price as well as the patterns. With COVID round the corner and just not leaving us, I thought we should definitely invest in like different colored masks, especially the N95, because that's the norm everywhere you go, be it the restaurants, be it the hotels, be it traveling anywhere or even traveling by flight. You definitely need an N95. And what better if you have an N95 in like various colors. So yeah, so I was extremely excited to purchase these different colored masks. And you must see there are a lot of options available, black and whites, and then black, white and different colors, and then the pastel shades and the regular shades. So whichever suits you the most, get those. And again, extremely affordable, so do check out the Meesho app. Next we have is this gorgeous sari. I can't tell you. First of all, I never knew saris could afford. Saris were so affordable also. Of course, it's not the finest of cloth quality, but definitely does the work. I mean, if you have to go out for an event and you don't really care about the quality as such of the material, then you can definitely put in some few hundreds of rupees into this sari. The color and the pattern is what glued me, and I was completely in awe that I really want to wear this one. So it comes with a blouse piece, material for your blouse. It's a unstitched fabric, which again will be shown. And yeah, so the only drawback that I felt, even apart from the quality of the material, was that it comes with a sketch pen mark in the middle. Okay, so when you open the sari completely, the 6 yards of sari, when you open it, there is a small, not small, it's actually a pretty big sketch pen mark of some kind of writing, and I don't know if that's going to go away while I get it dry cleaned. So again, I don't know if that's gonna go or not, but it was too late to return it, so I've kept it and I shall see how it goes. But I'm kind of looking forward to managing it within the pleats, so I think I'll be able to hide it. So yeah, organza sarees any which ways are pretty much in trend. So keeping that in mind, I definitely love this piece. If you like this video and if you liked my selection, please do not forget to like my video and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload one. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and like I promised, another haul coming your way.